Hello guys, my name is Orange the Algika fan, and today I will make my first commentary on the annoying Orange Yes Babybus No. Let's start it.
Hi everyone, annoying Orange Yes Babybus No here, and today, I'm gonna do a commentary on Joey the TV Hamadai fan's rant on Jason the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan. Let's get started.
Jason the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan? No. More like Jerk the TV emoji fan.
Was that the best insult you can come up with? Because that name was pathetic as fuck.
You said pathetic as fuck? No. How dare you? This is very more like Jason the Jason is the awful fan. More like Jason the Kiko fan.
This user sucks.
Correction, this user rocks.
The correction is this user sucks.
This user likes to make awful videos.
You make awful videos too.
This user
You make the bad awful videos 3.
makes bad videos out of Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No hater.
So, 1. He deserves it for hating Christmas Yes Sunny Day No.
No, he also rants green pen. This user rants green pen, which I hate it, and he calls me the N-word.
Christmas Yes Sunny Day No. Who hates this user? TV emoji and Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No hater.
Well, those sock puppet accounts should be grounded for that.
Annoying Orange Yes Sunday. No. Jason the CYSDN fan shut the fuck up because he hates every month and he can't stop make the commentaries.
Screw Jason the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan.
And screw you.
And screw you.
Christmas Yes Sunny Day No.
What does Christmas Yes Sunny Day No has to do with this rant? Even though I like him.
Kenny the
You know, even I hate Christmas Yes Sunny Day No.
Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No hater is so many times better than him.
Correction, Jason the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan is way better than Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan is way better than Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No hater.
The correction is Kenny the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No hater is better than Jason the Christmas Yes Sunny Day No fan.
End of rant.
Fuck that rant. But anyways, this is me.
Your commentary is worse than him. But anyways, good. If you watch this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and click on the clarification bell. So yes, goodbye.